Hello children, good afternoon. So, as promised, this is the recorded video of the lesson. So, our lesson for today is about identifying the base, rate, and percentage. So, before to start with, let's have this problem opener. Paula listened very well to the teacher during the class discussion of the lesson. When they were given a 5-item quiz, he got 4 correct answers. His grade for the quiz was 80%. Questions. Number 1. With regards to the problem, what is the base? Number 2. What is the rate? And number 3. What is the percentage? So for us to be able to answer these questions, dapat alam natin ano ba yung base, ano ba yung rate, and ano ba yung percentage. Okay. So, base, or B, is the number representing the whole. So, it's the totality. Ito yung kabuuan. Okay? So, sa mga numbers dito, kasi number, di ba? So, sa mga numbers dito, ano daw ba yung tumutukoy sa totality, sa kabuuan? Is it the 5-item quiz? Is it the 4 correct answers? Or yung 80% ba? So, dito, sa problem natin, ang sagot dyan, ang base is 5. Kasi, siya yung kabuuang bilang ng, questions, items, diba? Kabuuang bilang ng number of items. Yes. Number of items. So, rate. For question number 2, rate or R, is the ratio of a number to 100. So, ito is actually easier to spot kasi we have this clue which is the percent sign. So, the rate is always followed by the percent sign. Sometimes, it can be written as fraction or decimal. Yan. So, based sa ating problem, ayan, very easy to spot, diba? 80%. Yan. For number 3, what is the percentage? So, percentage or P refers to the part of the base and usually determined by the rate. So, bahagi lamang siya ng base. So, alin ba dyan yung bahagi lamang ng 5-item quiz? O, diba yung 4? Kasi nga, meron lang siyang 4 correct answers. Out of 5 items. Yan. So, that is our percentage. Another example. 50% of 40 is 20. So, let's identify the base, rate, and percentage. Base. Out of these 3 numbers here, which of the 3 represents the whole? Yung kabuuan. So, kung tatagalogin mo yan, meron siyang 50% ng 40 ay 20. If you answered 40, you are correct. For the rate, as I've said earlier, meron siyang ang clue niya ay meron siyang percent sign. So, that is 50%. Or if you want, this can be changed also to fraction, which is 1/2. Diba? 50 hundredths or 1/2. Percentage is actually part of 40. If your base is 40, now your percentage is part of 40, which is 20. Meron pang mga word clues dyan. Kung ang rate, ang clue niya ay meron siyang percent sign, ang base naman, it always follows the word of. Lagi siyang sumusunod sa salitang of. Lagi yan. And then, yung percentage naman, minsan kasi nauna siya sa salitang is, pero lagi silang magkadikit. Is 20 o kaya 20 is, gano'n. Basta lagi siya nakadikit sa word na is. Another example. Ayan, tulad niya. 31 and 5/10 is 35% of 90. 31 and 5/10 is 35% of 90. Let's identify the base, rate, and percentage. For the base, of course, yan yung 90. Kasi, siya yung tumutukoy sa kabuuang bilang. And, as I said earlier, lagi siyang nakasunod sa salitang of. Yan yung word clue niya. Rate, walang paltos, anong tawag doon? Basta lagi. Lagi meron siyang percent sign. Unless naka-fraction form siya or decimal na form. So, 35%. For the percentage, ano ba yung part ng 90? Obviously, it's 31 and 5/10. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina. Malapit siya sa salitang is. Although yung is dito nakagitna sa 31 and 5/10 at saka sa 35%, obviously, this one is the rate kasi meron siyang percent sign. So, natitira na lang ang percentage which is, ito na nga, 31 and 5/10. Kasunod niya yung salitang is. Next. Sometimes the situation is not only one sentence. It's actually a paragraph like this one. So, the down payment for a brand new TV set is 20% or 4,600 pesos. The original price of the TV set is 23,000 pesos. So, ano ba yung down payment? Parang ano to? Paunang bayad. Yan. Hindi ka pa magbabayad ng buo. Paunang bayad pa lang siya. Original price, yung total price, yung original na presyo, yan yung talagang kabuang presyo. Okay? So, base, rate, percentage. Which of the following given numbers represents the base? If you answered 23,000 pesos, you are correct. Kasi siya nga yung kabuang halaga. Diba? Rate, 20%. And the percentage, yung part lang ng 23,000 pesos. Sabi ko nga kanina, hindi pa buo. Bahagi lamang. So, meron kang 4,600 pesos. That ends our lesson about this one. If you have questions, message nyo lang ako sa aking messenger ha, children. Okay, goodbye!